course it's not here. Epco SSL,
Nah, it's older.
I think. Feels weird. It's like a weird type button.
There's the FACP.
Oh yeah, there it is. There's a wheel-lock-esque. Here it is. Oh, I didn't even know it had an indicator there.
This is the one that I could not ride before. Oh. Okay. L. This is like a parking garage. Ooh.
That does not sound good. Isn't it funny that the cab texture is the same as the buttons?
Button.
Like, what do you think about it? It looks like the buttons. These are cool buttons, though. These are installed by a company called Thyssen, or Thyssen, whatever. Wow, there's nobody waiting for it. That's the first. Listen to the motor. That sounds wonderful. Do you wanna? Yeah, we'll get off on the bottom. Look at buttons. New York City Fire Code to have stop switch. Yeah, these are cool looking buttons. Alright, we'll get off down here. This Ford doesn't have the fire service.
That's because the main floor is upstairs.
Yeah.
Close. There we go.
Yep, there it goes. And that's it.